Hello, my name is Stevie Martin with the Avaya Serviceability Engineering team. This video will go into the creation and use of groups in the Agile communication environment. In the Agile communication environment, a user group is a profile that controls access privileges to web services and packaged applications. Any user that's a member of a defined user group shares access privileges with everyone else in that group based on that user group configuration. Administrators can customize each user group to meet the specific needs of the administrative or web service users. Any user can belong to multiple groups. To view all groups that are in the Agile communication environment, you go to Security, User Group Management, List, Edit User Groups. Under the search criteria, there's two ways to search for the user groups. You can either select all user groups and select Submit, or you can select a user group name and do a wildcard search. There are three ways that a user group can get added to the Agile communication environment. There can be pre-configured groups such as System Admin Group and Federation Group, which are in the environment upon installation. A group can be added from the ACE integration engine upon configuration of the AIE to talk to the ACE core, for example, DCE standard. Or you can add a group manually and define the roles, as we'll do here in a little while. To create a group, you go Security, User Group Management, Create User Group. This brings up the Create User Groups screen. You would enter the name of the group you wish to create, and you specify the user group type. You specify as a group type of user. Anyone at this group can read the configurations. They can modify their own user, but they cannot perform administrative roles. When you create a user group for specific applications such as Microsoft Lync, or in this case, Same Time, the relevant ACE document for that application will have the details on the settings for that user group. For this particular example, we're going to set the user group type to System Administrator. And we'll set the parent user group to Avaya Authorization Roles, which for this installation is a subgroup of System Admin Group. A user group inherits the group policy from its parent, but you can modify them locally to customize that particular group. For Same Time, you want to set to write Call Notification Service, Presence Consumer Service, and Third-Party Service. This information, once again, is in the Same Time Manual for ACE. One thing to note, in the drop-down menu under Access Control Rules for ACE 3.0, Off and Read Only are the same permission levels, and Write and Admin are the same permission levels. So you're either on or off, no in between. As mentioned earlier, a user group must have a parent and inherits the attributes from that parent. If you're looking at a specific user group and you want to know what the parent's permissions are, you select the link beside Parent User Group. To delete a user group, you go Security, User Group Management, List, Edit User Groups. You can either select all user groups and do Submit, or search for a specific name. Once you have all the user groups listed, you just select Delete for the user you wish to remove. If the user group had users in it, you'd be unable to delete it. You'd get a warning message. You'd need to remove the users from that group, then come back to the screen and select Delete. Thank you for your time today. We hope this information was useful to you. We welcome comments, questions, and feedback at mentor@avaya.com or on Twitter @AvayaMentor. Thank you for choosing Avaya.